First thing I want you to do is go to your Gmail account, the one that you created, not the TSCS one. In your search bar, I'd like for you to add Google Classroom. You're going to search for that. You will see a class invitation from me to you. You'll click on that and click on Join. Once you join, the Google Classroom website will pop up and you can add it. You want to make sure that you're adding your personal Gmail and not your TSCS one that we created a long time ago. For today's Do Now, here is your assignment. You're going to open the link, which is right here. You're going to make a copy of it by going to File. You're going to retitle the document with your first name, Do Now Q4 W8. That is quarter 4, week 8. And here's my example. You're going to read the quote and the prompt for Monday, and then you're going to begin typing your response by double-clicking in the appropriate text box. My other classes have had trouble with this, so I want to see if y'all can handle it perfectly without asking any questions. So I'm going to run through. If you want to press pause while you watch this video and open up your link at the same time, that's totally fine. You can press pause and then catch up with my video. So clicking on the link, it's going to take you to a copy that you will not be able to type on. You need to make a copy of this. It's going to take a minute for it to load and make sure that all of the images and everything's on there. And once you're able to, you will put File. You'll do Make a Copy. And remember, you want it to say Do Now Q4 W8. So I don't need to sit here and delete all of this. I just need to delete the copy of. You can go back to your instructions and you need to make it with your first name. And here's your example. So I'm just going to delete copy of and put my first name and my Do Now. Once I press OK, I can get rid of my old one back here because I won't be writing on that one at all. So this is really small and it's hard for me to read it clearly. So I'm going to show you how to use the magnifying glass, but not to where it annoys you. So I can't read what Michelle Obama said. So I'm going to go up here and click on my magnifying glass. Now that it has a square around it, that means it's selected. I'm going to click right here because this is the part that I want to focus on. I'm going to click on it twice so I can read it. And then I need to get out of my magnifying glass in order to text. So I'm going to click on that once. I'm no longer on my magnifying glass. I will read my prompt and then I can move my screen. I will see what my question is and then I'll respond by clicking this twice. And here's where I'll write my response. When I get finished with that, I will go to Tuesdays because it's already Tuesday. I need to actually move out a little bit. So my zoom's here. I'm going to zoom to fit. That's going to come out. And then I'll need to just zoom in on this one little box. So my word of the week is written here. I'm going to unmagnify. I need my part of speech, I need a definition, and I need a sentence. Here's where you can use the internet. You've got computers, so I want you to take advantage of that. You will need to know how to pronounce this, what part of speech it is, a definition that makes sense for you, and a sentence. You can either use an example sentence from the internet or you can create your own sentence here. I want you to look up how to pronounce this word, but make sure that you keep your earphones on so that no one else can hear how it's pronounced. Once you're finished, pack me in your computer and snap 3 times.